How to delete Instagram account without password. So first of all, open up your Instagram. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Again, at the top right corner, tap on the three lines and go to Account Center. Now tap on Personal Details. Now go to Account Ownership and Control. Now select Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on your Instagram ID. Now select Delete ID and tap on Continue. Now select any option and tap on Continue. Now you will be prompted to enter your password. Tap on Forgotten Password. Now go back to your home screen and open up your email. Now open up the email and tap on Reset Password. Now create a new password and tap on Done. Now go back to your Instagram and enter your password. Now tap on Continue. Now tap on Delete Account to delete your account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.